Did you know that some electronic cables can contain harmful materials? In the past, substances like lead, mercury, and cadmium were commonly used in electronic components, posing risks to human health and the environment. That's why RoHS exists. RoHS, or Restriction of Hazardous Substances, is a global regulation designed to limit the use of dangerous materials in electronic products. With RoHS-compliant Ethernet cables, safety becomes a priority. Safer for technicians who install them, safer for homes and offices, and safer for the environment when recycled. These cables help reduce toxic waste, minimize pollution, and support more responsible manufacturing practices. Today, RoHS is a trusted global standard, followed by companies around the world to ensure quality, responsibility, and long-term sustainability. TSCables provides high-quality cables that meet RoHS compliance standards, which you can verify directly on our official website at TSCables.com. When you choose RoHS compliant products, you're choosing reliability, safety, and a better future, one connection at a time.